Hey friends, I hope everyone's doing well out there. Today I'm checking out these low-cut socks. So these are really nice for a lot of people when they wear shorts. They don't like high socks. They just want basically like the ankle socks. This comes with a pair of black ones and gray and white, but these have nice soft polyester fabric, very stretchable as you can see. So even probably pretty much a one size fits all unless you have like gigantic feet there. Comfortable and breathable with a little elastic top here. Let's go ahead and try one of these on. All right, so we can just put that on there. And perfect size right there. Goes right to your ankle there, so if you put your shoe on or whatever, it's not going to have your sock running up all the way up your calf or something like that. So pretty comfortable. Nice little sock there. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, my friends. Hope it's helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.